how to make money online in 3 minutes or less. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and welcome to this brand new video series where I show you how to make money in 3 minutes or less. So I know that you guys are super busy, so we're gonna keep it short and sweet. But before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications and leave me a comment if you have any questions and I will answer it. And also, if you want to expand on the strategy that I'm going to share in today's video, please click the first link in the description, go to artofmarketingelite.com, and over there I will take you by the hand and show you exactly how to make money online from scratch, okay? And right now let's just jump into the content of this video, how to make money online in 3 minutes or less, okay? Let me share my screen with you and let me show you exactly how to do it, okay? In this part one, we're gonna use Fiverr.com. So just go to Fiverr.com, and even before we start, I just wanted to show you that I have a bunch of different Fiverr accounts. Just on this account, I made $10,008. So Fiverr is a great way to make money online. You don't need a website, you don't need experience, you don't need any tech skills, and you can start in 3 minutes or less. Okay, so let's just jump into it. You got the proof right here. So obviously there are thousands of different gigs on Fiverr, and there are thousands of different ways you can make money on Fiverr. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you one strategy, one gig. Okay, so go ahead and type in YouTube thumbnails in the search right here. This will bring up this page and you will see all the best gigs when it comes to YouTube thumbnails. So you're gonna be creating these YouTube thumbnails. It is super easy. As you can see, people are selling hundreds, sometimes thousands of these gigs. $5, $10, totally up to you. But keep in mind, you're charging $5 to $10, but you are delivering these gigs literally in minutes, okay? So you can do this in under a minute. So what I recommend you do is just pick one of these gigs that is already successful. I picked this one right here. So we got this guy. He has the basic version of the gig, the standard and the premium. And what you're gonna be doing is just mirror exactly what a guy like this is doing. So, he has the basic gig for $10, do it for $5 just to start. He has the standard for 20, do it for 10. He has the premium for 36 euro, do it for 15 euro, and just copy exactly what he's doing. Okay, so he is delivering 3 YouTube thumbnails here, 10 YouTube thumbnails here, 25 YouTube thumbnails here. I would just copy and paste and just rewrite the description. Essentially just mirror, just model someone is already successful, okay? And that's all you have to do. Create your listing. And how you're gonna deliver it, there is a couple of ways, okay? First of all, you can create thumbnails with Snappa. Go to snappa.com. As you can see, you can click on YouTube thumbnail and you can create these thumbnails for free. So you have just a bunch of different ready to go templates. All you have to do is just click on one of these and you can edit the text, you can move things around, etc. So right here you have hundreds of different templates and hundreds of different potential gigs. Okay, so snappa.com. And another thing is canva.com. You can do the exact same thing with Canva. So go to canva.com. We have the YouTube thumbnails as well. Now we have the free templates, we have the paid templates, but obviously you want to start out with the free templates only. So let's just this is a free one. As you can see, we can click right here, we can edit the text, we can save it, we can send it back to our buyer and charge at least $5. You can edit these templates literally in minutes, under 3 minutes, okay? So that's all you have to do. Edit a template, send it back to your buyer, and you're gonna make $5, $10, sometimes even more on Fiverr. And one quick tip for you, just before you finish, go to freeplrdownloads.com and download a bunch of different ebooks for free, and you're gonna be giving these ebooks to your buyers just as an extra, just as a free bonus. Okay, so this way you're gonna make sure that your buyer is happy, that they will leave you a 5-star review, and everyone wins. So download a bunch of these and you can just give these away for free. Okay, so this is my 3-minute strategy for you guys. If you want me to expand on this strategy and take you by the hand and walk you through the whole process from A to Z, go to artofmarketingelite.com. The link is in the description. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment, and again, please like this video, please subscribe to this channel, please click on the bell for notifications, and check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always recording videos on making money online and working from home, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Ciao.